stress, the kind of depression.
Correct.
So, okay, we have all had that and pulled them out through. But the point is, every time they might not get, we went out of our way and we said, okay, we'll help them. But society is not kind.
Correct.
Like, I'll tell you a similar, like, whole year girl used to deal with COVID, COVID patients. So everybody wants doctors, okay, to come and see them if they're having COVID. But if I travel in the lift of the building, they will immediately call up and say sanitize करो. इसके वजह से germs आता है. But when they are sick, the first person, so it's a duality.
Sir, coming back to this, how do we heal the kidney? The things which you are doing, deep breathing, that is the solution. Sir?
That is one of the core solutions, real core solutions. When you go really deep and you start breathing from there, or you start using a singing bowl, it will put the kidney in a state of suspension. So now I will explain to you about something what I call as putting the body and the mind in a state of suspension. Simple feeling spaced out. हर किसी ने experience किया है, feeling spaced out. Okay. What is basically feeling spaced out? The atoms or the energy is so expanded and yet it is so subtly moving that you start experiencing expansion everywhere. And so something which is concentrated there, be it an emotion, be it a physical kapha or whatever it is, it starts suspending itself and it starts dissipating. Correct? What does sound bath do? It puts you into a state of suspension. Okay? And the moment there is space, suspension happens in space. The moment there is space, automatically wind starts moving in space. Okay? And motion starts, movement starts. Correct? With the acupuncture needle, that is exactly what I do. यहाँ पे accumulation है, sedate किया, करके है. You've seen, you've experienced what I do. इतना hard hit करते हैं, it puts the whole fascia and the whole body in a state of suspension for that moment. The moment you are in the state of suspension, the structure of the atoms start changing. They start dissipating. Okay, and a global balance is re-achieved. Okay, wherever there is an excess, wherever there is a deficiency, जहाँ पे excess है, वहाँ से वो flow करके deficiency की तरफ automatically flow कर लेता है, which is what I call as achieving global balance. Correct? You do deep, slow belly breathing. Again, what you are activating is the Sushumna Nadi, which is space element. The moment space element is achieved, suspension is achieved. The moment suspension is achieved in the body, you start feeling a little spaced out. That does not mean you start drinking or you start smoking it up. That's not healthy and that is artificial. It has to be coming from inside out, okay? Not the other way around. The moment that suspension is achieved, again global balance is achieved immediately. Wherever there is an excess, it is released. That information and the energy explodes, reaches wherever the deficiency is, and global balance is achieved. Getting this? Okay. With sound you can achieve this. With acupuncture you can achieve this very quick and easy. With breath work you can achieve this very quick and easy. With medicine you cannot achieve it. Sorry. Nahin, possible nahin. Only the bio-brain hack techniques which work on the fascia, because fascia, as I explained, is water tubes which carry sound. Sound is the elemental vibration. Sound is the tanmatra of space element. Correct? The singing bowls are sound, a harmonic rhythmic sound, but very suspended, right? That is why people fall in love with it, because your body loves that suspension. You start feeling, oh wow, you stop feeling everything, so the rigidity is gone. The moment that rigidity is gone and you are swaying, and the moment you start swaying, again global energetic balance is achieved. Correct? With the singing bowl, they are made of copper and tin. Copper is known as Madhur, earth element, high earth. Tin is known for Pitta and Vata element. Okay. The combination of the singing bowls creates Sam Agni in Madhur taste. Okay. And when you pass that through, the whole body is re-nourished with kapha, balanced Sama Agni, which is the pitta, and sound itself is vata. Okay? So the way how the singing bowl really works is it is movement of Samana Vayu or Sama Vayu across the body, but in a Madhurnad. Madhurnad is what I call earth and water, sweet. It will strengthen the producers automatically. Correct? It will immediately ground you at the same time. That is the reason why I don't use anything besides the singing bowls, because it is not Madhurnad. Anything which is discordant. Let's say people say, no, but I will put some nice rhythmic music. Okay? That rhythmic music is Rajasic in nature, it is not Sattvic. Okay? The sound of the singing bowls is pure Sattva because it is perfect Pitta. It is perfect combination of Kapha. It is perfect heat. If you see, आप लोग कल बोल रहे थे कि पीछे ठंडी लग रहा था. Come and sit close. You will sweat it out, literally. हाँ? नहीं था ना? Correct. You will literally start sweating. Why? Because it is perfectly equilibrium, balanced pitta which is moving through the entire body. You play sound for some time. How many of you came back and said, tongue dry हो गया? Yes? Why? What does pitta do? It burns. Correct? The moment there is burning, automatically there is dryness. Why do we put the clothes out सुखाने के लिए बाहर? Heat comes, wind comes, takes away the moisture. Correct? कफ को निकालना है बॉडी में से, we can use sound. Okay? पित्त को strengthen करना है, use the right singing bowl, use the right sound. वात को और move करके बाहर ही निकालना है, stagnated wind है, excess wind है. Sound itself is wind. Correct? It is motion, it is movement. So that is how, simply with one simple tool and 2 to 3 different techniques, you can rebalance your entire body. You can rebalance most of these systematically. Okay? Let's say you have an issue with the kidneys. You have an emotional issue or a physical issue. Physical issue है, please understand, you need to also consult a probably allopath or a homeopath or a Ayurvedic practitioner. जहाँ पे जितनी medicine की ज़रूरत है वो ज़रूरत है. क्यों है? Because medicine works in a certain manner. It is supporting as a functionality. Okay? That is also a frequency. Ayurvedic medicine or homeopathic medicine is a science of frequency ultimately. Okay? Where we are again doing the same thing, creating a resonance. And whenever there is a higher frequency within the atmosphere, the lower or which is discordant starts raising itself to meet the higher. In this room, let's say we put one wall clock here and you swing the pendulum this way and you put one here and you swing it the other way. Come back after 1 hour, both will be swinging exactly in perfect synchronicity and rhythm. Have you observed this? No? Try it. या तो YouTube पे बहुत वीडियोस देखने को मिल जाएंगे. It will achieve perfect synchronicity. Okay? Resonance happened between two, and so now they are working in perfect sync. Okay? That is exactly how Ayurvedic medicines work. That is exactly how homeopathic medicines are working. Homeopathy has even grander applications, like opposite and similar. That is exactly how medicine also works. Opposites can cancel each other out, and similars can strengthen each other in certain, pretty much both.
The opposite is only if you have to give an antidote.
Antidote.
Otherwise it's similar to the disease that is experienced by others.
Correct. So again, what is it homeopathic medicine doing? I said tonify the masochist. Similar.
Yes.
Different sciences fundamentally coming to the same truth. आयुर्वेद में भी क्या है, जो सिम्टम है we add a similum, तो उसी को और strengthen करो and immediately it stops. Correct? Because a masochist is actually a deficiency. The moment you strengthen it with similar herbs or similar compounds or similar frequency ultimately, immediately now it is re-strengthened with energy, so now it is again back in full balance. Yeah.
So wasn't Atharva Veda, the Veda in in which there was the mantra chanting.
Huh.
Wasn't that about sound and frequencies
Yes.
along with giving the medicine
Yes.
to the person?
Yes. Can I take this section, one section away?
Yes.